Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer BNB from your Coinbase wallet to Uphold in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your holdings or just switch platforms, this process is simpler than you might think. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring your Binance coin like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Coinbase Wallet app installed on your phone or accessed via the web. Log in with your credentials and navigate to your wallet dashboard. Locate your BNB balance. If you don't see it, double-check that you've added BNB to your portfolio. Remember, in 2025, Coinbase has made some updates for better security, so keep an eye out for any new verification steps. Next, tap on the Send or Transfer button next to your BNB. You'll need the recipient's wallet address from Uphold, so open the Uphold app or website in another tab. Log into Uphold, go to your BNB wallet, and copy the deposit address. Pro tip: always verify that you're using the correct network. BNB typically works on the BNB Smart Chain, so select that option to avoid any transfer issues. Back in Coinbase, paste the Uphold address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of BNB you want to send, and don't forget to review the transaction fees. These can vary based on network congestion, so aim for a time when fees are low. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your PIN or biometrics. Now, sit tight. Transfers usually take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the network. Head over to Uphold and refresh your wallet to see if the BNB has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like BSC Scan. One last thing. Always double-check addresses to prevent costly mistakes, and never share your private keys. There you have it, folks. You've just transferred BNB from Coinbase to Uphold. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.